Good morning, students. Today we will discuss modal verbs. Okay, you know that what are verbs? Verbs are action words. They describe action. But modal verbs are special verbs. Okay, they are not action words. They give additional information about the action word. Okay, they give additional information about the action words. They have a great variety of communicative function. So when we talk, these modal verbs play a great role. How we use them when we ask permission, like you may have said, may I go to play? Okay, you may have asked, like, may I come in, sir? May I go, sir? Or ability, we use them to show ability, like can, I can do this. Okay, I could do this when I was 10 years old. Necessity means you should do, you must do. Compulsion, opinion. Okay, shall I go to play? Like that we use for ask permission. Okay, opinion also use. Duty, obligation, advice, and possibility. For all we use these modal verbs. So what are they? Some example of modal verbs are can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must, ought to, and used to. Okay, they are all modal verbs. So we will see how to use them and where to use them. So first, here in first question we have to fill can and could. So where to use can and where to use could? So students, let's see. Can or could is used to make request. Okay, they both are used to make request. You see, can or could, you please lend me your pen. Okay, but students, when you ask question, try to use could. Okay, because could is more polite. Could sounds better. Okay, like, could you please lend me your pen? Can or could is also used to ask permission, like, can you please allow me to sit here? Could you allow me to sit here? Could sounds more. Okay, try to use could. Can, could is used to make offer. Can I do this for you? Could I do this for you? Okay. Can to express possibility. I can dance. Okay, that is ability. Possibility means smoking can cause cancer. Okay, this is possible. Okay, smoking can cause cancer. It could rain today. Okay, uh, that is also possibility. For future we try to use could. Okay, for future you try to use could. And can, could is used to give suggestion, like you could join a summer camp. Can is used to show present ability, like I can do this now. And could is used to show past ability, means 10 years ago, 2 years ago, 1 month ago. For past you use could. Okay, could is also used to express wish or desire, that is future. For future wish you try to use could. Okay, for wish, for past ability, for present ability you try to use can. To give suggestion you can use anyone. Okay, then to express possibility try to use could. And for permission or request try to use could. So let's see question number 1. C dash dash speak 5 languages. Now you can see that that is present. Okay, that is not past. So for present ability we use can. Okay, then please help, I cannot breathe properly. So for present ability what use? For present ability we use can. Okay, then babies cannot walk or talk, so that is true. So something that is true you will use can. Okay, babies cannot walk or talk, so that is true. Then it ran, it could run. Okay students, that is future ability. Okay, means there is possibility. Okay, for possibility you try to use could. Then he come to school because he was sick, so it is you will use could, because students could is used for past ability. Okay, I hear you, I cannot hear you. Okay, I cannot hear you, that is present ability. Tanya speak clearly when was see, you see could आएगा, because students that is talking about past ability. Okay, then I wish I could dance. For wish what we use? For wish we use could. Okay, then can I borrow your notes for a day? So for permission we can use can or could both, but try to use could. Okay, then you can write with a pencil or pen. For giving suggestion we use can or could both. Okay, for request, for suggestion. Okay students,